Just wanted to do a quick video on what I think is the two essential mods for a Tacoma with off-roading. Number one, new tires. Doesn't matter, really the brand, whatever, but get yourself some good all-terrains and the perfect tire size, really, for gas mileage, daily driving, off-roading, for clearance, stuff like that on a Tacoma is the 285/70s. I had the 35s, which were great for just off-roading, but as a daily driver and you do off-roading, you want the 285/70s. I'm just talking from experience. Gas mileage is still really good, and there's plenty of clearance with the 285/70s tires. And let's see, the second one I would say is get a little lift for the front, a collar lift. Doesn't matter which one you get, but there's like 3 brands: Westcott, Ready Lift, Peak Performance Suspension. They're all the same thing, a collar lift. But I would say if you want it, a reasonable price, Ready Lift. I think it was $300 for their kit. And the other ones are $600 and more. So, and they're the same style, it's a collar lift. But anyways, get yourself a little lift for the front. They give about 2 inches. They say 2.5. I'd say realistically it's like 2 inch in the front, maybe a little under. You don't have to touch the rear. They already sit up, really high stock. So yeah, I'd just say get yourself some good tires and a little lift for the front, and you'll be good to go and have a lot of fun. Then just go from there. As you can see, that's what I've done. I go off-roading all the time, just where I live. It's not rock crawling, but I go actually off-roading a lot just to take my dogs out, really, because it's nice just to let them run, not be on a leash and do what they want. So I do it for them, and it's fun, But yeah, I just wanted to do a little video what I thought are 2 like essential mods you need on your Tacoma. If you you want it to look better, but also it's functional for off-roading. You got plenty of clearance, good tires. The video doesn't do it justice, but it's a good amount of clearance for off-roading. And yeah, I'll be getting some new rims soon, so get rid of these ugly stock wheels. Let me know what you guys think are some other mods that you should get with a Tacoma for off-roading, if there's anything else. But yeah, those are the 2 most important, I think, besides some body armor stuff, which is important too. But if you're gonna do this first, do the tires and lift, then go from there. But yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.